peaks to Winnipeg streets. We're dancing where the wild meets. Morning in Whistler, a sushi dreams in sight. Zug's dogs on the corner, the line's out of sight. Hiker in flip-flops lost on a trail. Moose in sunglasses chilling by the pail. Elkin Falls roaring spray in the air. Raccoons in raincoats don't even care. It's Whistler Waterfalls and Winnipeg Wilds. From mountain highs to prairie miles. Skateboarders, bison and buskers too. A moose on a scooter just passed through. Keep your eyes peeled, sing loud and free. With a little dashboard magic, it's a sight to see. Down in Winnipeg, the bison parade. Grandma on a bike, lemonade trade. Streetcars late, but the band's on fire. A goose in a bow tie leading the choir. Kids on scooters dodging livery vans. Raccoons in tutus doing ballet plans. It's Whistler Waterfalls and Winnipeg Wilds. From mountain highs to prairie miles. Skateboarders, bison and buskers too. A moose on a scooter just passed through. Keep your eyes peeled, sing loud and free. With a little dashboard magic, it's a sight to see. If you spot a moose on a scooter, don't freak, just wave and smile. The road's at its peak. It's Whistler Waterfalls and Winnipeg Wilds. From mountain highs to prairie miles. With every twist and every turn, we're rolling